Hi, this is Miss Smart, and I am your instructor, whether it be for your reading class or your math class. And I just want to take a minute and welcome you to our classroom. For those of you who have had me in the past, we're doing things a little bit different this semester. And for those of you who are new, this whole situation will be new to you. So what I wanted to explain to you guys for a minute is we sort of have a split classroom in more ways than one. We have students that are in person. We also have students that will be online during class at the same time. This semester, I'm trying out something a little bit new, and we are going to be using a computer lab 3 days a week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursdays. And during that time, we're going to be doing a program called Essential Education. And that will allow people to work at their own pace on topics that they need to work on towards getting the score you need to test out of this class to get into your next level program to get closer to your GED. So we're going to be trying this out. And then what's going to happen on Mondays, I am going to meet with in-person people only, and we'll be doing some specific work. And then on Fridays, I will be working with just online students. So we're going to mix things up a little bit this semester. Just because you don't have me on a Monday or Friday, though, doesn't mean you won't have work to complete. It's still a school day for you. It's just one of those days you won't actually be meeting with me. So just want you to be prepared for that. When we actually meet, either in person or online, on our first day of classes, which happens to be January 17th, I'll go through our schedule a little bit more and what our days will be like. But I wanted you to have the opportunity to be able to know a little bit ahead of time how this class is going to work this semester. Please be prepared every day. You should have a notebook for each of your classes. You should come with pens and pencils, especially pencils for math, and have extra paper with you to be able to write on and or take notes. And especially because you're going to be doing some computerized work, you're going to want to be taking notes as you go through that selective program. I will also be calling people over at times to meet with me in small groups. So let's say we have one group that needs to work on drawing conclusions in reading or learning introduction to fractions and math. I can pull a small group over here at this table and work while other people are back at the computers working. So you're going to get much more of a customized education this next semester. I wish us all really well on the program. And you're going to be seeing, this is that program I was talking about, that's Essential Education. You will be getting an email from me in the next few days. It's actually coming from Essential Ed. It'll be giving you your username and password. The only thing that you should do at that point is try to get in and make sure your username and password works. I do not, and I strongly say this, do not want you to go ahead and get into any of the materials, because there's certain things I'm going to want you to do when we first start using the program. And I want to explain that when we all get together. So when you get an email that tells you here's your username and password, really do nothing, then try to get to this page and try and make sure it works. We will also be doing this in the first day or two of our classes to make sure everybody can log in. And I will be taking you step by step through how I want you to begin that process. So between now and then, enjoy what's left of your vacation, and I will be meeting with you shortly. We'll see you on January 17th.